Alright, so after a little bit of fumbling, I got the Wi-Fi card connected, and that Wi-Fi card is connected to the shop network. And then here, the contents of the shop, or the contents of that card are located here. It's mapped as a network drive, so that's pretty slick. One thing I've done is, unlike in just the general control, there are no folders, so everything would just be listed by program number. Well, here I can go into this folder and then I can see the different projects I'm working on, and say I want to load in something from this motor controller, this program here. It's the Keystone port machining that I do on a little plastic enclosure. So now I can go into function here, and I'm going to send it to the machine, and it says it's ready. So I go over to the machine and I'm into the ready to load a program. So I'll say I want to load in 1500, edit start, and there it's transferring the program. And then we'll just wait for it to come up over here. We go into mem and then program list, and you can see it right there. So it's pretty slick just having that folder option. And now, of course, once on the brother, this control doesn't allow drip feed. So this is just for transferring back over. I can just go back, and then this is really not even connected to it's connected, but it's not performing any function right now with the machine. It's just sitting there off to the side. So it's pretty slick having those folders and being able to have 16 gig of programs just on this and not have to worry about managing that on the control is a really, really nice feature.